This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Build your personal brand with T.A.S.T.E, T-A-S-T-E. Your personal brand is more than a resume. It is your professional fingerprint. It's what makes you unique. Whether seeking a new job or a promotion, or you need financing for business growth, your personal brand plays a pivotal role. Using the T.A.S.T framework, truth, accountability, support, trust, and empowerment, you will shape a compelling personal brand that resonates with HR managers, hiring leaders, business owners, and lenders. The first is T for truth. Own your story. Authenticity is the cornerstone of a strong personal brand. Be truthful about your journey, your successes, and your challenges. Hiring managers appreciate candidates who are transparent about their experiences. Instead of glossing over setbacks, frame them as learning experiences. Did you miss a target? Explain what you learned and how you adapted. Did you lead a successful project? Highlight how you succeeded. Your ability to learn, to adapt, and to grow makes you a valuable asset for a promotion, a new company, or to a lender. The second is A for accountability. Take responsibility for yourself and others. Accountability means owning your results, good or bad. Employers, clients, and lenders respect professionals who take responsibility for their results rather than shifting blame. Share how you addressed a mistake, what you did to correct it, and what you learned from the experience. This level of maturity and integrity increases your credibility. It shows that you are proactive and take personal responsibility for your goals, both personal and professional. Third is S for support. Build and grow your network. Recognizing those who have supported you strengthens your reputation. Highlight mentors, colleagues, and team members who have contributed to your success. More importantly, demonstrate how you support others, helping them to achieve their goals. Share examples of how you uplift others and promote excellence. By supporting others, you become more attractive to decision makers who value strong team players. The fourth is T again, which is trust. Remember, there is no trust without truth. Trust is earned with honesty and reliability. Your brand reflects your strong work ethic, sound judgment, and dependability. Highlighting successful projects and results showcases your trustworthiness. Share reviews, testimonials, endorsements that reinforce your professional reliability. When people trust you, opportunities follow. And fifth is E for empowerment, positioning yourself as a leader. A strong personal brand highlights your achievements plus how you empower others. Communicate your ability to inspire and drive results. Share how you elevate team members by empowering them to be more, do more, and earn more. So, build your personal brand with T.A.S.T, T-A-S-T-E, and that is today's Morning Minute.